How to remove someone from best friends list on Snapchat. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can remove someone from your best friends list on your Snapchat. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, simply head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. So the first thing you'll need to do is head over to your Snapchat. And to find your best friend, simply tap on your Bitmoji on the top left. After you tap on it, you can scroll down and you'll see My Friends. Simply tap on My Friends and you'll see your best friends. Now, I only have one best friend right here. So what I'll do is I'll just tap on the person and here the profile will open up. Now to remove someone from best friends list, all you have to do is tap on the three dots on the top right and then head over to manage friendship. Now under there, you will need to either block them or remove them. After you do one of these, you will have removed them from the list. Now make sure that you remember their username so you can add them back later on. And after you add them back later on, they will no longer be on your best friends list. And yeah, adding them back again can get a quite awkward. So the other way that you can remove someone from the best friends list is by simply stop sending them snaps. If you start communicating less and less with that very person, your best friend will just no longer be your best friend and just go down and be with your normal friends, and someone else will take the spot of your best friend. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you can remove someone from the best friends list on Snapchat. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.